Yo, yo, yo. Welcome back to Buttery Bells.
Song recommendation? 4 Deep in the G. I wish that was a song. 4 Deep in the G.
Does this seatbelt work?
It should, yeah? No?
I am your seatbelt.
You'll be alright.
Oh my god!
4D! Oh, she's heavy! Bitch is heavy!
God, it's like that carousel ride that just slams you into that other person. That was good.
Fucking wild.
That was fun. It's like a roller coaster.
I'm ready to run doors with the Stang again.
Yeah, dude.
Did your seatbelt work at least? Okay, that's
Yeah,
good.
she was locked in, dude. Dude, hell yeah.
Yes.
About to get rowdy. Tire's gone, bumper's gone. Good shit.
That's what we like to see.
Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed.
that was sick.
Subscribe.